Before we start with our brushes and paint, I want to take a few moments for a color theory lesson. I know that we have not had much time together this past year to work with color, and so I just want to take a few moments to remind my older students about the color wheel, and then I want to take a few moments to teach my young students so that as we begin and move on with our painting for the rest of the summer programs, you'll have an idea of where we're headed. We're going to look for a few moments at the color wheel. We have green, yellow, orange, red, purple, and blue. And the color wheel is broken up into different groups or families. We have the primary colors, which are yellow, red, and blue. And these three colors make all other colors that you would ever want or imagine. And they specifically make these secondary colors that are also on the color wheel. If you were to combine blue and yellow, we know that blue and yellow makes green. If you were going to combine yellow and red, we know that yellow and red makes orange. And blue and red combined makes purple or a violet. So we have our three primary colors, and then we have our three secondary colors for our basic primary color wheel. There are some other things about the color wheel that we're going to be discussing this week as we paint together. There are color families. So if we were to focus on this half of the color wheel, we would see the yellow, the orange, and the red. The yellow, orange, and red are called warm colors. They're the warm color family. And the green, the blue, and the purple would be the cool color family. They're the cool colors. And so when we are painting today, you're going to hear me referencing the grouping of colors using the color families as warm and cool. I also want to talk to you just for a few moments, specifically to the older kids, about complementary colors. Complementary colors are colors on the color wheel that complement each other. That means they are always going to look good together. For example, blue and orange. Blue and orange are across from each other on the color wheel, and these two colors are always going to look good together and complement each other in a piece of art. The same goes for purple and yellow and green and red. If they are across from each other on the color wheel, you know that they are going to complement each other. And you can put them beside each other to pop in a piece or to make the other color stand out.